Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's create a new document. Make it 840 by 600 pixels in color mode RGB. Rename your document as the current project. Let's use the ellipse tool. Select no fill and change the stroke to black. Raise the stroke to 10 points. Align stroke to outside. Click once on the artboard. Apply this settings. Now create a new circle. Change it to 20 points. Apply this settings. And now, the third circle. Change it to 40 points. Apply this settings. Click and drag to select everything. Choose horizontal align center and vertical align center. Select pen tool. Press Command or Control Y to enter outline mode. Make sure to have your smart guides active by going to View menu. Click once on each side. Exit outline mode. Remember, Command or Control plus Y. Select the middle circle plus the line, while holding Shift. Select the Shape Builder tool. Then, while holding Option or Alt, click once to delete the unnecessary pieces. Select everything and expand. Now open Pathfinder and select Merge. Reduce the size, while holding Shift and Command or Control. So far, so good. Choose a white fill. Press Shift plus M to select the Shape Builder tool. Click once to create the desired shapes. Select it and ungroup. Change the color using this code. And next, this one. Sample this color with the eyedropper tool. Search for a darker tone. Select Pen tool. Click once and then set another point by clicking and drag. You can adjust the anchor points while holding Command or Control. Press V for the selection tool. Select two shapes like this. And delete the X's. Now, repeat the process. Select this shapes. And reduce the opacity. Now select the shape and go to Offset Path. Apply this settings. Select No Fill. And change the stroke color to white. Increase the size to 10 points. Make sure to check the round cap and round join boxes. Select Add Anchor Point tool. Click to add a new anchor point. Press A for Direct Selection tool, and delete the unnecessary anchor points. Select this shape. Go to Edit, Copy. Then paste it in front. And then, repeat. Move this shape. Go to Outline mode to have a better view. Select both shapes. And delete the X's. Repeat. Here you can rotate while holding Shift. Select everything and group them. Select Rectangle tool and drag the shape across the whole artboard. Select Arrange, and send to back. Project complete. Congratulations. If you made it until here, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so we can meet again. Thank you and see you around.